So I'll be showing you how to check insights on Instagram. Now, if you have a professional Instagram account, then you can just see insights easily. And if you don't have a professional Instagram account, you might want to turn your Instagram account into a professional Instagram account. Once you do that, you can just go to your profile page and you can see the insights of any post. So as you're scrolling, so you can see this is one of my posts, and you can see I have insights in the bottom left corner of every post. So I can tap on view insights at any time, and I can see the insights for this specific post or reel. I can see how many people liked, commented, shared, and saved. Okay, I can also see how many views I got, the watch time that generated, and you can see whether the people viewing are your followers. So you have all this information or insights into that particular Instagram reel. Now, alternatively, if you go to your profile page, you should see a professional dashboard. That's if you have a professional Instagram account. So in the professional dashboard, you can see the insights of your entire Instagram account in terms of views, interactions, followers, the content you shared, and all this information. Okay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.